Hello everyone, I'm Professor Kaleem, presently teaching English language, literature and linguistics at Government Postgraduate Islamia College, Gujranwala. In this video, we'll discuss three important phrases which are used in English language, and for these three phrases, we'll have to remember which verbs are suitable for them. So let's discuss which are those three phrases. First of all, we'll discuss one of. We use this phrase for those situations where we try to speak for those persons who are many in numbers. But from those many persons, we are actually talking about one particular person. When you are talking about such type of situation, at that time we'll make use of this phrase one of. So remember, after one of we always use a singular verb. I'll give you an example to clarify the thing. Like, one of my friends is a doctor. So here, look at this phrase and look at this verb is. Is actually a singular verb which refers to this phrase, and it is actually for this one. So in this situation we are actually talking about one person, but many speakers, they get confused with this word friends, and they try to use the verb according to this plural noun. When you will focus this plural noun, at that time you will be making a wrong use of a verb. So do remember, for this phrase one of, we'll always use this singular verb is. Don't get confused with this word and leave it. Remember, you are going to use the verb for this person, that is only one person. Then comes the next phrase, a number of. This phrase, when comes in an English sentence, we'll always make use of a plural verb after this phrase. So we'll give the example, a number of stars are wandering in space. So in this way, we'll notice that after this phrase, a number of, we are making use of this plural verb are. So do remember, whenever you find a number of in the beginning of a sentence, you will always make use of a plural verb like this. Then there is another phrase, a lot of. For this phrase, the rule is quite different. Do remember, after the phrase a lot of, we can use both a singular verb and a plural verb. I give you the examples for the phrase a lot of. A lot of money is reserved for the COVID-19. Then the second use of this phrase, where we find a plural noun after the phrase a lot of, at that time we'll use a plural verb. For example, a lot of people are ill because of the COVID-19. So look at this example. Here we are having this plural noun people after this phrase a lot of, and this plural verb are is being used for this plural noun. So this is an important thing to remember. If you are using the phrase a lot of in an English sentence, so do remember, after a lot of, you will focus on the noun. If you find a plural noun after the phrase a lot of, you will use a plural verb after a plural noun. So that's all for now.